miss you all. I hope you all in good health. Today we'll start with first online session in quarter 4. First, open your book, page number 569. Today we'll talk about a new lesson called unit fractions. First, what's meant by fraction? A fraction is a number that represents an equal part of a whole or equal part of a set. Let's watch a video to explain this.
Unit fractions. Nicole works at a pizza restaurant. Her job is to take out pizza slices from the machine so the waiters can take them to the customers. The machine looks like a circle, and it is divided into 8 equal slots, as shown. So in each slot, there is 1 pizza slice ready. Let us look at this machine closely. Initially, we had 8 pieces, as you can see. 1 pizza slice is 1 part of the whole, or 1 slice out of 8 in total. So each slice can be represented by the fraction 1/8. Any fraction that has a numerator of 1 and a positive denominator is called a unit fraction. In our case, a unit fraction is 1/8. To find out how many unit fractions we have in the machine, we can count all the slices. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 slices. We can write down the unit fractions as we are counting. We have 8 1/8, or 8/8, which is our whole. All fractions are made up of unit fractions. We can break down any fraction to its unit fractions. For example, if Nicole already took out 4 slices, what is the fraction that shows how much pizza we have left? It is 4/8. How many unit fractions are there in 4/8? Every pizza slice represents a unit fraction 1/8. So how many unit fractions do we need to get 4/8? Let us count and write them down. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 slices, or a total of 4 unit fractions. And 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 4/8. In this lesson, you learned what a unit fraction is.
After finishing the video, we will start to explain what's meant by a fraction. Okay? Example number 2. 1 whole is called 1 whole. It's divided into 4 equal parts. We will divide this whole into 4 equal parts. What unit fraction represents 1 equal part of the whole? Write the unit fraction. First, fraction or represent a part of a total number. Okay? If we take 1 from this whole number that we divided it into 4 parts, okay? If we talk from this 1 part, so we will write a fraction with this shape. You took 1 part only, 1 out of 4. So this called 1 out of 4, or 1/4. If you put here up one part and down total parts, so this shape called unit fraction. Unit fraction must be put up one, okay, and down total numbers, okay. So the unit means that put up 1 unit fraction 1 out of 4 or 1/4, like words. Open the next page, number 570. Guided practice. Divide the whole into equal parts, then label each part with its unit fraction. Number 1. 2 equal parts. If you have a whole like this, so divide it from middle into 2 equal parts. This part equal 1/2 and another part equal 1/2. So the unit fraction is equal 1/2. Example number 2. 4 equal parts. If you have this whole number, divide it into 4 equal parts. So this part equal 1 out of 4, and this 1 out of 4, and this 1 out of 4, and this 1 out of 4. 4 means that total parts, and 1 each part. This one part, and this one part, and this one part, and this one part. So the unit fraction is 1/4. Okay, solve number 3, 4, and 5 in the same way by yourself. Question number 2. Write how many equal parts should one part. Write its unit fraction. Number 6. Count how many total parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down total number of parts, okay? And how many parts that is shaded here? One part. So write up 1, as unit fraction must be up 1 and down must be total number of parts, okay? So what equal parts? How many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here 4 parts. Number 9. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. And unit fraction, or how many parts here that is shaded? 1 part. So put here 1. And down, how many parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 total parts. Solve number 7 and 8 in the same way by yourself. Third question. Circle the correct unit fraction for the shaded section of each model. Number 10. First count how many total parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which fraction has total parts equal 4? This. And how many parts that is shaded? 1 part. So here 1/4. So make a circle on 1/4. Number 12. 1/5 or 1/6. First, look at total parts, 5 or 6. So count the total parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a circle on this fraction. And how many parts that shaded? 1. So 1, 6. Okay, make a circle here. Number 11, 1/8 or 1/6. So first count the total parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the part that is shaded? 1. So 1 out of 8. 1/8. So make a circle here. Okay. Number 15. 1/5 or 1/6. Count the total parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the total part that is shaded? 1 part. So 1 out of 6 or 1/6. Okay. So make a circle here. Solve number 13 and 14 in the same way by yourself. Okay. Open the next page, number 572. Mr. Klinger divides the magnesium floor into 8 equal sections. Draw lines to divide the whole into equal parts, then label each part with its unit fraction. First, draw rectangular like this and divide it into parts. Separate between them with lines like this. Total parts here equal what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number here equal 8. And each part equal what? Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and here 1. So the unit fraction is 1 out of 8 or 1/8. Okay, as unit fraction must be the number up equal 1 and down total number of parts. And here total number of parts equal 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that all of you understood every point with me today. And homework page number 573 and 574. See you soon. Thanks.